So I would just like to take note also that dito po sa CPBRD report, it was mentioned that there is a slow rollout of MWOs. While 42 MWOs have been established worldwide with plans of creating or constructing more, progress is slow relative to the scale of global OFW deployment. We need the MWOs kasi po mabilis yung rollout natin ng OFW deployment pero hindi po nagka-catch up yung MWOs. Tama po ba, Madam Sponsor? So we intend to build how many annually?
The department intends to build 10 MWOs annually.
Okay, the reason why I'm asking these questions is because meron po kasi tayong pera. So, based on your fund balance as of December 31, you have 5.5 billion, 5.59 billion dun po sa nakukuha natin sa verification fees. So, we requested, the DMW requested for 580 lang for 2025. And another 580 for 2026. Despite the fact na nag-i-increase po yung ating revenues, yung ating earmarked revenues. Ang pumasok po sa atin for 2025 is 1 billion collected from verification fees. And then, we're projecting 1.2 billion for 2026. So, bakit hindi pa po natin i-ramp up? Why don't we at least double the rollout of the MWOs? Pwede po natin silang tulungan na taasan na lang yung request nila. Baka the department would like to increase the request. Total po, Madam Sponsor, sorry, pera naman po ng DMW yan.
Yes po. Yes, Mr.
At
Speaker.
hindi po dapat nililimit yung releases sa kanila.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, we welcome that suggestion and the department is thanking the good congressman for the suggestion.
And I fully support the passing of the budget of the DMW. Thank you very much.